Hello, it's me again. All right, so now we're going to practice subtracting mixed numbers. So we are going to start with 5 1/3 minus 2 5/6. So remember, only with adding and subtracting fractions or mixed numbers, you have to be sure that you have a common denominator before you can add or subtract. So I can see that I've got a 3 and a 6. My least common multiple would be 6. So I'm going to have to multiply my 3 times 2 and my 1 times 2. So now my problem is going to be 5 2/6 minus 2 5/6. All right, now that I have a common denominator, I can subtract. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my numerators. And I can see I'm trying to subtract a greater number from a lesser number. And that is not possible. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to borrow from the 5, and it's going to become a 4. When I'm borrowing from the 5, I'm borrowing one whole number. In this problem, one whole is equal to 6/6 because your denominator is 6. So if I borrow one whole from the whole number, I have to add that back to the fraction because I can't change the value of this number. So now instead of calling it 5 2/6, I can call it 4 8/6. My 2 5/6 is going to stay the same at the bottom. And now I can subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2. I subtract my numerators. 8 minus 5 is 3. My denominator is 6. Now I can see that 3/6 is not in simplest form. So I'm going to divide by the greatest common factor, which is 3. So my final answer is going to be 2 1/2.